Welcome to Goya's Garden and Tie-Dyes. I'm Greg. Alright, today we will be working with a Gildan adult medium. You can already see that I had this spiraled up one time, but somebody was gabbing with me and lost all control of it, you might say. So I'm redoing it. And as you can see, I'm using my microwave splatter guard that I understand that they don't make anymore. But I'm sure you can come up with something. I was thinking a hole in a Frisbee or a plant water catcher or something. There's something you can use, I'm sure. And I have my locking tweezers. I don't know why they call them locking. They're more pinch them and they'll open up, so you kind of have to put pressure on them to keep them shut. But the best part is big old rubber end on them. It won't rip that shirt one bit. So I'm using my oversized rubber bands, the ones that I've done in the hot water or been on ice for quite a while. They're a little stretched out and they work a little better. Don't want it too tight. But I'm just going to go around and tighten this up the best I can here. You just keep pulling your loose ends and tuck them into the closest rubber band. All right. All right, well, that's looking pretty good to me. And we're going to take it and stick it in my 5-gallon muck bucket. And I'm going to add in there a little amethyst, a little glacier blue. And these are out of my dye bottles that are mixed with soda ash. A little splash of ox blood. Just swirled it around a little bit. Put in our shirt. And then another little dash of glacier blue on top of that. Just for good measures. And this is going to go under my ice dye table. You'll see here in just 1 second. And I really love this table. So previously on the left side was the glitch that had sage green, Dharma's 39 black, strawberry sky, and stormy sky in it. And so that's all running down into the drain, dripping into the muck bucket. And then the one on the right is the strawberry sky scrunch shirt. That was the previous video to this. And all that dye you see on the table is going to get all wet and gooey and slide down that drain. Look at that color, that blue coming out of there. I think it's beautiful. And drip down into the muck bucket that catches everything. You know, that's a future project there that I haven't shown yet, but it didn't get inside of the the muck at all. It's all self-contained. But that's a future video. And so like I said, it's all running down that little drain there. Right there, running down into that red bucket where I have the shirt that I had added previous dry dye to it. And there it will sit for 2 rounds of ice on both of those projects. And this is the outcome. I think it looks pretty good. So I guess I got a 2 for 2. Or a 3 for, because I had 2 shirts going into it. Anyway, I think it turned out all right. Always, you just can't get the right picture. It doesn't show the true colors. But I need to start making all the muck ones in my size. Because I really like them. Yeah, so this is actually the front side that we're zooming in and out of here. But I'm happy with it. It's a keeper. Alright, well, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. If you liked it, please hit like. And if you want to share it, by all means, please do. Once again, thank you, and I'll see you next time.